Welcome to another video, Top Secret Garage. I'm gonna try to cut this thing today. Bell housing. This is a CD00 something from I think it's a G35. It says CD001. It says CD009. And I've seen too many videos of, oh, which one is the strong one, which one is the weak one. But I'll tell you this much: I don't care if it's the strong one or the weak one. All I know is that this thing is obviously stronger than a W58, which is what I had before. So this was all thanks to Mr. Brett Collins. I get all my stuff. We got the plate, the clutch. We got the adapter plate. We got the paddle bearing, the bolts. We got some really cool stickers. And I'm gonna show you this. Where is it? No sé dónde puse la bomba. This is the throttle bearing. Now I swapped the one that goes here and I put it into a 3AN, so I can run a 3AN line from here to the master cylinder, which is pretty cool. So let's see if we can start cutting. Oh, this is from a T56 Chevrolet. We got my dad working on the big old van for Mr. Tony. Yeah, man. Espérate. Tenemos ahí Top Secret. Garage. So we got it here. This is my, look at this, Top Secret. I don't even know what to call this thing. Hopefully it doesn't fall. Probably it will fall, and then I'm gonna be sad. But this is what I got right now. So we're gonna start cutting. Cutting sucked, but I cut it. So we did have to shave some of these areas right here, shave them down. But I didn't have to shave that bolt like on other videos I've seen, because it's got that big hole there. So I guess I didn't have to shave that part. And right now we're gonna put some silicone in it and we're gonna drop it in there. And we got my helper here. And we got one of my teachers here. Everybody's just looking. So and then we got all the bolts. We got it. We got, like my boy used to say back in the days, that we got everything. Dímelo, Leten.
Hey.
Yeah, ¿tienes fanático, papi? En Australia.
Macho.
Macho. Ah, no, mira, escúchale que son machos todos. Mira, echamos un poquito espérate, un poquito de brake cleaner.
¿No le echaste?
No he hecho brake cleaner.
Vale.
Lete, ¿qué va a pasar ahora? Ahora tenemos memoria.
Ahora vamos con esto, mira, ahora vamos a poner los tornillos, ya tiene toda la pieza. Vamos a ponerle el spacer. Aquí lo tenemos.
Cuidado para no regar el silicón. Para mí que él va más para acá. Ahí está.
¿Tú puedes explicar para qué es el silicón?
¿Para qué es el silicón? Explícale.
¿Para qué tú le pones silicón ahí?
Para que selle.
Para que ve.
Eso para poner los tornillos, para que queden ahí.
Tomar este.
Derechito.
Es para juntar, para que no haya ningún líquido.
No, perdón, esos chiquititos no los ponga todavía. Porque no sé para dónde van. Ah, esos son para allá.
Tú sabes que los televidentes quieren explicar esas cositas porque a veces no saben por qué pones algo ahí.
The little bolts go on this side, the small ones, and the long ones go all the way around. Sorry for the light, but I'm running out of battery, so estoy sin luz, estoy sin batería. There we go, we got light. So, gracias. So the two little ones, they go on the bottom here, and all the long ones, they go all the way around. Look at that. The only one we don't have, la bancasa yo no la tengo como. Mira acá abajo, está tirada allá abajo. La bancasa la tengo que buscarla. Vamos a buscarle la Allen.
Usted debe que una libra.
So we tighten everything up already. All of them, they're tight. There was no specs on how much torque. But T56 late cylinder, I changed this, viste que lo cambié, le eliminé, tú sabes que es un chupón, y lo hice raya 3. Ay, papá, esto es secret. Y esto es de corbeta. ¿Lo ves aquí? Aquí, estos son 10, ¿verdad? No, casi no a la mañana. Vete, ¿por dónde va este? Ya terminamos.
Ey, eso sí está, eso es buena, el fondo. ¿Dónde salió eso?
That's how it looks.
Yo me quería hacer eso,
Hey, I don't know if we gotta grind this. I'm gonna call Brett and ask him now. But this is our torque. I put this line there with a 90 out, so this is gonna come looking like that going up. And I mean, everything is real good. I'm gonna clean it all well too. This is from automatic J1.
¿Qué volanta usa?
Va a usar la volanta de Toyota con plato presión de Toyota.
Esto no podía estar chulo.
Yo fui allá en el centro del país. Bien chévere.
¿De qué tú hablas? No puede estar suelto. Guys, that's it for today. Everything looks good. I got the disc, I got everything. Hopefully we'll be putting this in on Wednesday, so in 2 days from now. This guy, thank you for helping me out, and I got a few of my friends over there for helping me out. So I'm gonna do this in my house because I got my RX7 in my house. I'll be doing this in the ground, putting this in and doing all these things for the car, like the cross member again and all that stuff. But thank you for watching. If you have not done so, like, share, subscribe, and I will see you guys in a few days when I put this puppy in. All right, I know the video ended, but I'm gonna do like a little giveaway, something. When I'm done with this, I'm gonna take it to the track. The car, I'm gonna take it to the track and I'm gonna hit it hard again. But this time I'm gonna hit it hard. Like, I'm not gonna granny shift like I did with the W58. With that being said, if you leave it in the comments what time, or the closest person that comes up with the time that I'm gonna run the track, I will send them a top secret sticker over the mail. Okay, so leave it in the comments, and just with whatever time you think I'm gonna run, I'll give you a little hint. Last time I went to the track, I ran a 13 ohm at 111, and that was literally granny shifting, like no hard launch, just putting the gears, and I ran a 13 ohm. Oh, and I ran out of third gear, and so basically I cruised the last 200 feet, and I still ran a 13 ohm. So guess what time I'm gonna run? I'm still gonna be running at 14 pounds. I'm not gonna do nothing to the engine, just the Nissan transmission, and I'm gonna hit it hard this time. I'm gonna launch it hard, and I'm gonna beat the shit out of this transmission. Sorry for the language. So leave it in the comments whatever time you think I'm gonna run. Whoever's closest or whoever actually gets it, I will send them a top secret sticker over their mail for free. Okay? Don, algo que quieras decir aquí. Yo dije que el que adivine el tiempo se lleva un sticker. ¿Qué tiempo tú crees que yo voy a correr cuando yo monte esa transmisión?
Bueno, mi opinión es que vas a tocar los 12.
Obviamente, pero tiene que ser un tiempo ahí que tú piensas específico. Te ganas el sticker. Sí. Yo corrí 13.0 la última vez.
13.0.
Ajá. Tiene que ser un tiempo. Va a correr 12, ¿cuánto?
12.5 por ahí.
12.5. Si if I run 12.5, he gets a sticker. 12.5. ¿Está bien? Everybody, take care.